Can you take the picture already? Oh, you're recording it. You stupid. Come on. Yeah, yeah. Come on. Put him up. You can run with your sweater. Yes. I'm in the hood. That's not even enough. Yes, it is. Go along with it. Come on. Man.
You're supposed to fall.
No. Ready? Okay.
Fatality. No, the ball has to bounce somewhere and break something.
No.
No, but then you throw a ball and it bounces on you.
How you doing? You suck. I was gonna tap you, but you had to start the computer. Brain dead. See? Your sister wants to attack me. What is this? No, I don't understand. Ano ba yan?
Oh my god.
Yeah, come get your chain, baby. Yeah. I don't have a chain, but yeah, you can take mine.
Are you done?
Crack. And that's the story, and that's how it goes. Congratulations. Oh my God. Sally had a baby, it's a boy. Yo, he's undressing himself too. Guess what? Your son.
You're supposed to throw it.
No, because her uterus threw it at me. Giggity, giggity, go! You got smacked with the baby. Ow! Why are you cuddling up with my blanket?
I don't know. It's like it.
She likes it. Fred, I think
You can say
he
bye.
want it. No. Your turn. Your turn.
Can't stop coughing.
Okay. Pokemon, be trying to do your Pokeball. Ew. Peace, dog. Go to sleep. Yeah, you holding the camera. Go to bed. Bye.